Here's how to spot a company with an economic moat. Hi guys, Stanley here. Economic moat might be a jargon that you have heard about when you're learning investing. It's a term made famous by Warren Buffett, the poster grandfather of investing. A company with an economic moat is basically a company with a unique advantage over its competitor. The term is based on the medieval concept of a castle moat, where it can protect the castle from foreign attackers. In the same way, having a unique advantage will protect the company from an outside threat. Just like how a good brokerage account will help you protect your wealth. Thank you to our sponsor of our video, FSN1. They are an all-in-one financial account that help you protect and better manage your financial. You can trade stocks, invest in funds, bonds, and even insurance products all in one account. On top of that, they are one of the lowest cost provider in Singapore. You can sign up for a free account right now to try it out. Just go to fsm1.com or click on the link below. Remember to enter in our referral code to get 1,000 reward points as well. Now back to the show. An economic moat comes in many different forms, and here's how you can spot one in a company. You just have to look at one simple ratio, and that is the operating margin. An operating margin of a company is basically its operating profit over its revenue. Say when a company has an operating margin of 10%, it just means that the company is making a profit of $10 for every $100 of revenue. Generally, operating margin will disregard expenses that's not related to the operation and also disregard tax expenses. And when we look at companies that are clearly unique and special, say Apple, Google, Tencent Holding, Alibaba, or even Guizhou Maotai, they all have great operating margins. It's true, not all companies with an economic moat has a good operating margin, but most do. So it's a great ratio to help us get started. And after we found some company with good operating margin, it's time to investigate what kind of economic moat do they possess. For example, it can be branding. A company like Apple or Guizhou Maotai has a special brand associated with it. And that is why they are able to charge a premium for their product over their competitors. Yes, that brand goodwill might fade away over time, but as long as a company keeps its reputation intact, that strong brand can last a long time. Another economic moat might be having economic of scale. One key example is Alibaba Group, the largest e-commerce platform in China. And because they have such a large scale, many e-commerce sellers in China must have a presence within their platform in order to reach more customers. And as more companies choose Alibaba as the platform to work with, it helps Alibaba to grow as well. And they become a self-growing machine. That gives them more pricing power over its customers and supplier. That's the true power of Alibaba. And the last example of an economic moat can be having high switching costs. This is about having an ability to keep your customers with you. And if they try to switch, it will be a painful experience for them. We can see that in many regulated companies, say Tenaga Nasional in Malaysia. They are the only regulated distributor of electricity in Malaysia. There's basically no other choice for a consumer to switch to. The only other alternative is to live without electricity, and that can be a painful experience. We can also see high switching costs among social media companies. Bear in mind when I'm talking about social media, I'm not talking about how easy it is for us personally to switch from one social media to the other. I can delete my personal Facebook account today and move to other platforms like WeChat or TikTok at an instant. But as a user of Facebook, I'm not the customer. I'm not spending any money on it. I'm merely the product. You're only the customer of the social media platform when you pay for their service, which is advertising. So if you're an e-commerce company that has built your business on top of social media platform like Facebook or YouTube or WeChat, it is very hard to switch away from that. This is because you will have to abandon your followers and also content to start all over again. So that's some quick tip for you to spot companies with economic mode. What other companies have economic mode? Comment down below and share with me today. That's it from me. My name is Stanley. Till we meet again, invest safely.